If you have visited this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the new challenges. Look at the series 12, 11, 13, 12, 14, 13. What number should come next? A10, B12, C14, D15. And the answer is D15. Explanation. This is an alternating number of subtraction series. First one is subtract, then 2 is added. Which word does not belong with the others? A. Index, B. Glossary, C. Chapter, D. Book. And the answer is D. Book. Explanation. Rest are all parts of a book. If cup is equal to leaf, then bird is equal to what? A. Grass, B. Forest, C. Bake, D. Bush. And the answer is C. Bake. Explanation. You drink out of a cup with your lips. Similarly, birds bite grass with their beaks. If paw is equal to cat, then hoof is equal to what? A. Lamb, B. Horse, C. Elephant, D. Tiger. And the answer is B. Horse. Explanation. Cat's feet are called paws and horse are called hoofs. Which number should come next in the series? 48, 24, 12, what? A. 8, B. 7, C. 6, D. 4. And the answer is C. 6. Explanation. It is a simple division series in which each number is one half of the previous number. We can also say that each number is divided by 2 to arrive at the next number. RQPONM space IHGFED. Find the missing letter. A. CDE, B. LKI, C. LKJ, D. BAC. And the answer is C. LKJ. Explanation. The series consists of letters in reverse alphabetical order. Therefore, the missing letters are LKJ. If petal is equal to flower, then A. Pen is equal to paper, B. Engine is equal to car, C. Cat is equal to dog, D. Ball is equal to game. And the answer is B. Engine is equal to car. Explanation. A petal is a part of the flower. In a similar way, an engine is a part of the car. Which word does not belong to others? A. Kilogram, B. Inch, C. Centimeter, D. Yard. And the answer is A. Kilogram. Explanation. Kilogram measures weight and the other units are used to measure length. Peter is in the east of Tom and Tom is in the north of John. Mike is in the south of John. Then in which direction of Peter is Mike? A. Southeast, B. Southwest, C. South, D. East. And the answer is B. Southwest. Explanation. Peter is in the east of Tom. Tom is in the north of John. Mike is in the south of John. So, Peter is in the southwest of Mike. Which of the following diagrams correctly represents lion, elephant, and animals? And the answer is A. Explanation. This is a circle of animals and this is elephant and this is lion.